Can't take. You can take me a picture, man. You know I love cameras, yo. Shout out to you.
Moozy! Hello, Muslim Sprays and Bonandel Sprays and Bonandel Spray. Hello, Ninja, guys. Wow, you guys do great. Give yourself a round of applause, man. Give yourself a round of applause, man. Shout out to you. Khumalo Moozy, the comedian, all the way from Ekuchwa. And thank you guys for coming through to laugh, you know. Guys, it's a new show. Like, Yazin, no movie, have you noticed? See that the live example. See that? No movie I love laughing, man. And then, Yazin, with a mistake, let's say now, guys. The mistake, we should like a cat. It's dangerous. Like a cat. It's dangerous. I'm not born on the stage. To the Mundashella Paula Lab. Udova. Like now, share like a cat. See, I'm a party. Like, you know, it's just that. Hello, Johnny. If Bagisa Chomi was a person, hello. Yeah, Bagisa girl. Just know. Guys, I was happy, excited, and nervous at the same time. But this was like to perform at Mabani Theatre Club. Like what if you reach your and then one guy I see you back the back and says, Yemna, ask the most I take your body. Full of shaking off in so is it in the building? Yeah. That's just my thing. Ligas in the building. Kapawan in the building. Shalas in the building. Thank you to all 5 of you. Yes. You know, like it's really important. You guys like I love. Like for everything you find in him. Financial companies. You wanna see the speaker to my kings. Thingos. Right? Gay guys wouldn't do that shit. Gay guys wearing funny style and because they'll be there and they'll be like, how are you to go see? My bossy when I'm in love with Shem. My bossy when I'm in love with You just know, eh? You just know. I love TV. Look at my channels. Hey, there's one guy on ETV, and this guy I'm gonna but if I say camera, one movie, one channel on ETV. You guys know that guy, right? Yeah. Imagine I said to time hey, Papa, one sugar, 1 week on I'm like, yo. I want to fake love. I want to fake straight. Like, Khumalo says, you fake, you will wait to take cross against Sasaka. You, that's fake, brother. See that? Go to the fake number. So the cash for card, please. Card, please. All right. Jump up the card again and check your savings. How grand. Shout out to everybody in the building. Khumalo Moozy, the comedian. But on the stage. And today, I brought the guitar. So I'm gonna jam. Halala. I'm gonna jam on 2 songs before I the stage. I hope you enjoy the songs, man. Let me lift this. Halala. And check if it's working. How many of you love music? Okay, man. Shout out to you. I love music too. So I'm gonna jam 1, 2. Woo! So So the first song I'm gonna do, it's before West Java. I hope you guys really like it. It goes like this, right? Hey. If you know the song, you can sing it here, right? It goes like this. Before there would be pain. Cause before there could live and I'm running and I couldn't live my life. Before there would be pain. Cause before there started to child could to young and such a cause before, here's my favorite part, here's my favorite part. Yeah man, make some noise one more time for that. Yeah man. Because that's it man. The thing about music, when music when I feel like something, the music will mash anything every time. And still the guys will scream like ah! You know, like seriously, for an about tuning the time, nothing can still listen one because like shoot, one punish. And you know, just like that, because it's music man. And there's one thing, like when I even the ladies, I'm telling them it now, you're hey girl, I wanna give you. Who wants to give me? I want to give you it. You just know. It's just great, you know. I'm not a music man, channel that all the time. And then one time, I'm going to do another song right now. Do another song. This song is one of my songs and I hope you guys really love it. Because I put the album on, I expect all of you support you guys, you know that right? So I hope you guys really love the song. It goes like this. Baby, let's out. Let's fall out of the bed. But the stuff goes like this, man. Baby, let's have it from along the bed. Time for a coming back and let you do now. Baby, let's have it from along the bed. Time for a coming back and let you do now. Go back to not gonna see it, cut the baby. Hey, Papa, go back, not gonna see it, cut the You know, there's one joke, let me most of the time, all of the time, and I love it so much, I'm gonna do it right now. So, we're gonna film this now, so, I'm from a public place, future, and there's public schools, right? So like public schools, there's something I've noticed. Good thing a little fun in my urban schools, right? Go my urban schools, the station they go like A for an apple, B for a ball, and C for a car. You know that, right? But public place, Joe, they don't let my fucking style in about ABC. No, because they be there and they be like, Anna Benetti, Sicilia, Tocasi, Eva, Francina, Germania, Hanana, I saw Chacarana, Comari, oh Maria, oh Peter, Queenie, oh Samuel, oh Universe, Close the wire. I come on, I'm a